Oh, good job. Oh, where did the balls go? There's a ball. I've heard you say the word ball before. Can you say ball to me? Ball? What is it? What is it? Oh, good job. Yay! Can you clap? Can you clap? Oh. Oh, where'd he go? Oh. Yay! Good job, Steven. Ta-da! Oh. Yay! 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 Good job, Steven.
Which flavor would you like?
I would like chocolate ice cream, please.
Okay.
Chocolate ice cream is my favorite.
Okay. Where's the cone? Where's your cone?
Oh, can I have it in a dish, please?
Sure.
Mommy's got a dish. Oh.
Yeah. Here's the dish.
Oh, thank you so much. Can I have it in a little ice cream bowl?
Okay. There.
Oh, thank you. That looks so good.
I will like this.
Oh, what flavor is that, Ronnie?
You can let him do the dishes.
I got one. Here's your chocolate ice cream.
Oh, thank you so much.
Eat it, yucky.
Oh, what's together, Ronnie?
Sure.
Oh, and there's a muffin. Thank you.
That was fun.
Jack, Christopher, Jack.